everyone. Me and my puppy's eating. The like lanzones. So I'm going to take a balat for him. May buto. Wait lang. Wait lang, may buto pa. Oh. Tatanggalin ni mami ang buto. I don't know why, but my dog really love to eat food. Everything that I eat, he want to eat too. It's a good boy. It's very healthy. I am sick right now, so I'm not going to kiss him because I don't want him to have sneeze. Sabi nga nila, unahan na natin para magkasakit. May vitamin C na siya. So, Mommy, so pretty naman. Wait lang. Mamadali na siya. Enough na. May buto o malaking buto. Wait lang. Diba? Feel like that. Nahulog ng buto. Ayun. Mapait kasi yung buto. Wait lang, baby. Tama na yun, ha? Enough na yun. Sobrang dami na. Tama na. Baka magsuka na. So, that's all for our vlog. Bye, guys!